The curling leaves of hibiscus plant can be very harmful, and it mostly happens due to certain reasons, and fixing these reasons will automatically make your hibiscus plant healthy again. The new growth will be totally normal and green. So let's know about these causes of hibiscus leaf curl problem and their easy solutions. So keep following and do subscribe to our channel. Hibiscus leaf curl problem is one of the common hibiscus plant diseases. In this condition, mostly the new growth of the plant appears to be curly and abnormal. The leaves will be smaller and curly. The plant hardly grow any buds and flowers. That means it's attacked by the leaf curl problem. And here you need to understand a few things and solve this issue. Otherwise, the plant can die as well as the problem may spread to other of your plants. The first and the most common cause of hibiscus leaf curl problem is the viral attack. Your hibiscus plant is attacked by a virus that is called as leaf curl virus. It's common in tomatoes, hibiscus, peppers, etc. One of the major things that transmits the virus to the plant is the pest attack. Means the pests like aphids, leaf miners and white flies carry this virus inside of them, and when they attack on a plant, they also transfers the virus in the plant body. The virus may take over the plant growth and health, but sometimes it's naturally defeated by the immune system of a plant. But if the pest attack is severe, then your hibiscus plant will definitely show you curly leaves. The solution of this issue is simple. By reducing the effect of pest, we can solve this issue. As soon as the pests go away from your plants, it will start on recovering. Sometimes the virus attack is very severe, and if so, the plant most probably won't survive. All you can do is to apply a pesticide as soon as you see any signs of pest attack. You can use Neem oil spray that you can also make at home using neem oil. Video guide on that is also added in the description box and I button. Must check it out and start using it as a prevention. Another common cause of hibiscus plant leaf curl disease is the environmental stress. When hibiscus plant is under a severe shock, it may show you curling leaves. This shock could be due to repotting or very high humidity. As though hibiscus plant is a humid area plant, but if the humidity is high and air circulation is also poor, the chance of leaf curl problem is very high. Simply what we can do is that make sure the air circulation around the plant is good. Humidity is not the issue, but the air circulation is. So make sure the plant is shock free. You can follow a proper repotting method so your plant recovers faster. There is a simple guide on that linked in the description box if you like to try. Another common cause of curling hibiscus leaves is the nutrient shortage. Every plant element have a specific role in the plant body, and when it's deficient, plant shows certain type of signs like magnesium deficiency appears with pale yellow leaves, while calcium deficiency appears with black spots and sometimes curling leaves. So here calcium deficiency could be an issue, or phosphorus can be an issue too, because it also causes curling leaves. So overall, the proper solution is to keep all the required elements available to the plant. You can do this thing by simply using a balanced fertilizer that not only contains NPK elements but also there should be a source of micro elements in it too. You can simply use this homemade fertilizer. It will provide your plants all the required nutrients. Video on this fertilizer is linked in the description box and I button. Must check it out and do subscribe to our channel. Another cause of hibiscus leaf curl issue is the compaction of soil. Soil's compaction also causes yellowing leaves and stunted growth, etc. So it's a fundamental thing to grow any plant. An ideal soil media is that which is loose, well draining and fertile. In such a mixture, not only hibiscus plant but also other plants grow very well. Compact and a hard mixture puts a shock on the plant which appears by the curling of leaves. So here you can use this potting mix. It's made at home. Video on this is added in the description box. Must check it out. Another common cause of hibiscus plant curling leaves is the roots bounding. When the roots don't have enough space to grow in the pot, this thing also causes a kind of stress on the plant which appears through yellowing and curling leaves. So here you simply need to make sure the roots aren't bounded. You can check the drainage hole or just remember the last repotting date. Hibiscus plant requires a big size pot to grow, so for that you can choose a grow bag that will also keep the overwatering issues in control. You can buy the good size grow bags from the description box link and repot your plant every springs. Sometimes the leaf curl problem is not a big issue, it's just happening due to the sudden change of the temperature, which will be okay as soon as the plant adjusts in the new environment. Change of the season also turns the hibiscus leaves yellow, and it happens mostly in the starting winters. So keep good care of your hibiscus plant in winters as though it's the resting time of the plant. You can simply follow a few winter care tips. For that, follow this video point by point and subscribe to our channel.